how to live stream vertically and horizontally at same time on YouTube. So let's get started. Streamlabs desktop dual output feature is a game changer for creators looking to multi-stream. Below, now we walk you through setting up this feature from connecting platforms to going live. Firstly, make sure to download Streamlabs desktop and connect your YouTube account while setting it up. Step 2. Next, go to the settings menu and select the video option available there. Then simply toggle on the enable dual output option in the Streamlabs desktop. With dual output, you can completely tweak the settings for your vertical and horizontal live streams, making them as different as you need. Check out for dual output guide, which divides or dives into everything that you can do with this feature. After that, make sure or before streaming, be sure that you see on your canvas is what you want viewers to see. Adjust each component within the vertical and horizontal preview windows to ensure your content appears exactly as intended on both layouts. Now, to show or hide any element on a specific canvas, hover over the item in the Sources panel and toggle its visibility. If needed, any element can be removed entirely from your stream setup. Then next, go to the lower right corner of your Streamlabs desktop window and click on the Go Live button. In the Go Live window, make sure you have the native YouTube integration set up as one of your destinations. Then simply you will have to add YouTube again, but as an RTMP destination for whichever orientation slot you have left to fill. After that, do so by finding your YouTube stream key and URL from your YouTube dashboard. Then, once you have added as both your horizontal and vertical destination, it's showtime. Click confirm and go live to get your YouTube live multi-stream going. When streaming vertically through the YouTube app, your live is likely to show up in the Shorts feed. However, when streaming vertically from a third-party streaming software, your live's vertical orientation may not always be detected to show up in the Shorts feed. However, when viewing the vertical version from a mobile device, viewers will see it vertically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.